Hey guys, today I'm going to make a beef soup or stew in the Instant Pot using tri-tip. So let's apply the pressure. I was going to use stew meat for this, but I happened to see these two beef tri-tip roasts untrimmed for $2.77 per pound. So this is 7 pounds of meat, 7.13 pounds, and it was $19.75. So I figured I could just cut these up myself and do it that way. So I used part of one the other day to try this out and it worked good. So I trimmed the rest of this one up. I just cut it into strips and trimmed the fat off, and that's what I came up with there. So let me cut up a little bit more off of that one and we'll get that browning up. I put a little bit of avocado oil in the bottom of my pot there, and now I'm setting it to saute on high, and we'll get this meat browned up. I just seasoned the meat with kosher salt for now, so we'll get that browning up here. And I'll get some more cut up while that's browning. These have been in there for about 5 or 6 minutes, so kind of flip them over. That one browned up nicely. Oh, it looks good. Okay. Alright, we'll let those brown on that side, and then we'll do the next batch, and same way. Alright, let's get everything into the pot here. I'm starting off with 2 cups of water. One is already in there, so that's 2 cups. You could use beef broth if you wanted to, but I'm just going to go with some water. And these are fingerling potatoes, 24 ounces, that package. Those turn out good because they hold together pretty well under pressure. And they're already washed, so I don't have to worry about that. I'm using, that's 4 carrots and 3 stalks of celery. Last time I did this, I used baby carrots, and they kind of got mushy. So I'm going with the full-size carrots here, and I left them in pretty good-sized chunks. You could cut up an onion if you wanted to. I didn't have any, so I'm just going to sprinkle in some onion powder. I don't know, maybe a tablespoon or so of that, and then some kosher salt. And some Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. So we'll sprinkle a fair amount of that in there. And also a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. That goes well with beef. So just a little sprinkle of that. And here's my browned up tri-tip. We'll just get that in there. Looks good. Get all that juice back into the pot there. Kind of spread this out, and we'll get the lid on there. Now I'm going to cook this on the pressure cook setting for 15 minutes, high pressure, and I'm going to turn the keep warm off and let the pressure release naturally on its own. So I'll let you guys know how long that takes. It's been 1 hour and 25 minutes and I just heard the pressure pin drop, so let's take a look here. Meat's nice and tender. Vegetables are tender. Let me grab a bowl and we'll try some out. Alright, let's see how this turned out. Tri-tip's nice and tender. I can just kind of break it up with a spoon here. That looks good. Vegetables are nice and soft. I like these little fingerling potatoes, like I said, because they hold together nicely in there. Carrots are soft, but they didn't fall apart. They're not super mushy. So let's just try a bite here. That's pretty good. I made a batch of this the other day, but this batch has more flavor. Annie's doing her little taste test dance over here. Let's give her a carrot first. Oh, she ate her carrot. Good girl. Want a piece of tri-tip now, Annie? How's this? She didn't even chew that. I guess it was pretty tender. Like usual, I'll write everything in the description, all the ingredients and the cooking time and all that. And if you don't have tri-tip, you could use stew meat, or chuck roast would really work really well for that as well. Thanks for watching. See you guys.